Welcome to Combat Fitness. Today we're here with Daryl Spackman, 3-time world team member in Greco-Roman wrestling, and he's going to show you a Bosu Ball Push Up explosion. He's just going to lay the Bosu Ball face up. He's going to do push-ups on his knees with one hand off, one hand on, and to alternate in each side. This is working a little more of the fast twitch muscles than the ordinary push-up does. Just going to do 10 or 15 or so on each side. That's your tip of the day. For any more information, go to www.combatfitness.com.